Hey guys, this video will show you how to install the R programming language on your Windows system and how can you install RStudio along with it. First, open any of your favorite browsers. Then search for the RStudio download. Click on download RStudio. This will land you here. Now accept the cookies. Scroll down and click on download and install R. Then click on download R for Windows. As you are installing R for first time, click on base. Now click on download R for Windows. It will start downloading the installation file. Now go back to this tab and just click on download RStudio desktop for Windows button to download the installation file for RStudio. So here both R and RStudio installation files are downloading and it will take a couple of minutes. After completing the download, locate the installation files in the download section of your file explorer. Now open the R installation file. Select your primary language, then click on OK. Then click Next. Then you can choose your destination folder where R will be installed. I will keep it default and click Next. Make sure to pick those options: main files, 64-bit files, and message translations. Then click Next again. Keep it No and click Next. Leave it as it is and click Install. Here, make sure that all of 4 options are ticked. Then click Next. It will start installing the R language and will take some time to complete. After the process is complete, click on Finish. Open the File Explorer again and double-click on the RStudio installation file. Click Next. Keep the destination folder as default. Then click Install. After complete the installation, click on Finish. Now open the search box and search for window. Here it is. Just click on it. Keep everything as it is. Do not change anything. Then click on OK. When opening RStudio for the first time, it will ask for your permission to send the crash reports from your computer. I will click No for now. And here the RStudio is running very well, as you can see. If this video helps you install those software programs, please consider subscribing to this channel and liking this video.